Alright, so right now I'm in the coffee region of Colombia, and I am yet to see anywhere with asphalt shingles. And yet I climb up on this huge mirador. I'll show a video of it a little bit later. But guess what I found? Asphalt shingles. So in this video, we're going to go over, I'm going to let you guys pick and tell me what's wrong with these roofs and leave the comments below. Let's see how good of a roofer you really are. All right, so this structure is actually called a mirador. They have these all over Colombia. I guess you can see the beautiful Andes Mountains. We are outside of a city right now called Valencia. Again, it's in the coffee region. Now, you've seen the roofing job. What do you guys think is wrong with this roof? Now, list all the things that you think is wrong in the comment section below. I'll come back and see what all you guys put, see who's the best roofer out there that actually watched this video. But if you enjoyed it, you enjoyed me, showing you roofs in a different part of the world, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to Digital Roofing Innovations yet, here's your official invitation. Again, my name is Blenkinsopp. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.